Why does your scanner show the P2A01 engine code? What does it mean? P2A01 is a diagnostic trouble code for O, 2 sensor circuit range performance bank, 1 sensor 2. This engine code indicates the PCM has detected a voltage reading from the oxygen sensor for engine bank 1 that is outside of normal parameters. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, contaminated sensor, poor electrical connection, PCM malfunction, incorrect fuel pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Ram, Pontiac, Chevrolet, Kia, Honda, Ford, etc. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.